Get ready for some exciting updates on the Galaxy S25 series. Samsung is pulling out all the stops with this latest iteration, and we've got the inside scoop. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can stay up to date on all the latest tech news. First off, let's talk about the processors. There was a rumor going around that all S25 models would feature Exynos chips, but that's been debunked. Instead, the S25 Ultra is getting a major boost with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor. And here's the best part: according to Mukul Sharma, Qualcomm is going to be the sole supplier for the S25 series, with a whopping 40% share on the S24 series. This is huge news, folks. But why is this happening? Well, it seems that Samsung's 3nm yield hasn't been meeting expectations, so they're turning to Qualcomm to fill the gap. And what does this mean for us? A potential price hike of up to 25 to 30% on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4. Now, this might seem like bad news, but trust us, it's worth it. With this processor, you'll be getting a beast of a device that can handle anything you throw at it. But what about the rest of the S25 series? Will we see a price hike across the board? Unfortunately, it's looking like yes. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be one of the most expensive Galaxy S series devices yet, with a potential price tag of over $1,400. But hey, with that kind of power and performance, it might just be worth it. First off, let's talk about the prices. We're expecting a significant hike, especially for the 16GB RAM model. Some rumors suggest a $100 price increase across the board, which would put the S25 Ultra at a whopping $1,399. That's a steep price to pay, even for a base model. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Would you splurge on the S25 Ultra? Now, let's move on to the camera updates. We've got some exciting news here. According to Ice Universe, the S25 Ultra will feature a 50MP ultrawide sensor, a 50MP 3x photo sensor, a 200MP main sensor, and a 50MP 5x photo sensor. That's a quad camera setup that's sure to impress. And if that's not enough, another source claims that we'll finally see a 1-inch main camera sensor, which would be a game changer for low-light photography. But what about the battery? Unfortunately, it looks like we won't be seeing any major upgrades here. Despite initial rumors of a new stack battery technology that would increase the battery size to 5,500 mAh, it seems that the S25 Ultra will stick with the same 5,000 mAh battery as its predecessor. And while Samsung suppliers do support 65W fast chargers, the S25 Ultra will only feature a 45W fast charger.